How to change Verizon Wi-Fi password and name. Open the My Verizon app or connect to your Verizon Wi-Fi and open a web browser. Sign in to your Verizon account or router admin page using your login details. Choose your Verizon Internet service from the list. Open the Wi-Fi or wireless settings menu. Wait for the current network information to load. Find the field that shows the existing Wi-Fi name. Enter a new Wi-Fi name that you can easily recognize. Confirm the new network name if asked. Find the field for the Wi-Fi password. Create a new strong password using letters and numbers. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Save or apply the changes and allow the router to update. Reconnect all devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Thank you for watching.